Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be looking at exterior angles of triangles. So let me go ahead and start off with a figure. So we're going to have two different figures. So this is 3, or sorry, not 3, this is 4. This is 1 and 2. And then we're going to have another figure over here. This is AB. And then this would be D. So this is known as the exterior angle relationship for triangles. So these two angles inside here, this angle right here and this angle right here, with respect to this angle, this is our exterior angle. And if you think about it, that's outside the triangle. Same thing here. D is our exterior angle. It's outside of the triangle. These two angles right here, 1 and 2, and then angle A and B, are known as the remote interior angles. And that's with respect to our exterior angle, remote interior angles. And think remote, like remote control. You're not sitting there touching the TV, you're using a remote control to operate the TV. The TV is away from you, that's why you're using a remote. These angles are away from our exterior angle. These two angles are away from our exterior angle. They're not touching each other. This would be an adjacent angle to our exterior angle. So what relationship does this give us? Well, it gives us that the measure of angle 1 plus measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 4. Over here, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equals measure of angle D. So our two remote interior angles add together to give us our exterior angle, an angle outside. So let's go ahead and try an example problem of this. So let's take a look at example 1. So I have these triangles, or this triangle. This is 45 degrees. This is 60 degrees. And this is our unknown. So our two inside angles, so our 45 plus 60, add together to give us our outside angle. So 45 and 60 gives me 105 degrees. So our outside angle is 105 degrees. All right, nice and easy. Let's try a little more difficult one. So example 2. Solve for y. So this is 4y. This is 7y plus 6, and this is 116. So a little more difficult, but not super hard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the two remote interior angles. So my two remote interior angles are 4y and 7y plus 6. So 4y plus 7y plus 6. And those two add together to give you my exterior angle, which is 116. Solve this equation. 4 and 7 gives me 11y plus 6 equals 116. Subtract 6 from both sides. Gives me 11y equals 110. Divide by 11. I get y equals 10. So again, for this one, we only have to solve for y. We don't have to plug it back in and find what these two angles are. We could, but we don't have to. Let's try another example. So example 3. So for this one, we're going to solve for Z. So this is 161 degrees. So that's my exterior angle. This angle right here is 18Z plus 3. And this angle right here is 5Z minus 3. So these two are my remote interior angles, and this is my exterior angle. So these two are going to add together to give me this one. So 5Z minus 3 plus 18Z plus 3 equals 161. Add those two together. That gives me 23Z. Negative and positive is just going to be 0. Divide by 23. I get Z equals 7. So again, I use the remote interior angles, basically the two angles that are not touching my exterior angle. Those add together to give you your exterior angle. Go ahead and write a summary for today and use these notes to help you out.